Pet hair floating in your living room air is more than annoying, it's a warning sign. Today, Budget Buying breaks down 5 pet air purifiers that promise cleaner air, quieter nights, and healthier homes. One of these completely outperforms the rest, but you'll want to see every option before deciding which one actually deserves a spot in your house. If you're just starting to take pet dander seriously and don't want to overspend right away, this is where the list begins. The Heapets Pet Air Purifier opens things up with a straightforward promise: fast, effective air cleaning, without overcomplicating the process. Its 3-layer filtration setup pairs dual filters together, tackling dust, pet dander, and lingering odors in one pass, rather than relying on a single stage to handle everything. The standout feature here is the 30-minute pet mode, a setting built specifically for households with cats or dogs, designed to refresh the air quickly after playtime, shedding season, or a messy afternoon. It's positioned for real-world pet challenges, rather than a sterile lab scenario, which matters if your home deals with actual daily mess. For anyone easing into dedicated pet air care, it covers the essentials without unnecessary complexity. The dual filtration layout genuinely helps with faster odor and dander pickup, and the dedicated pet mode is a thoughtful touch for busy households. That said, this unit sits at the entry point of the lineup, so coverage area and long-term filter life aren't built for larger homes or heavier pet traffic. It's a dependable starting point, but multi-pet households or bigger rooms will likely outgrow it faster than expected. Think of it as a solid first step rather than a long-term whole-home solution. Struggling with pet hair clogging your purifier or getting woken up by a noisy fan at night? This next one directly solves both of those headaches. The Faveetie Pet Air Purifier steps things up by targeting entire living spaces rather than just a corner of a room. Its single-side intake design focuses suction more directly, pulling in loose pet hair faster than scattered multi-directional airflow typically manages, and the H13 HEPA filter backs that up by capturing 99.97% of airborne allergens, so what comes out the other side is noticeably cleaner. Safety gets real attention too, with tip-over protection that automatically shuts the unit off if it's knocked past 90 degrees, useful in homes where curious pets like to investigate everything. The real highlight is sleep mode. One tap in the app dims the display and drops the fan below 25 decibels, so it keeps working through the night without disturbing anyone, pet or person. This is where usability really shines, especially for households that run the purifier overnight or in shared living rooms. The efficient hair pickup and true HEPA filtration make it a strong pick for homes dealing with heavier shedding. The trade-off is that features like sleep mode rely on app control, which not everyone wants to manage. It also leans more toward single large rooms rather than whole home coverage, so multi-room households may end up needing more than one unit. Compared to its sibling model further down this list, this next Heapets version fixes some real pain points pet owners actually complain about. This second Heapets model climbs the ranking by focusing on cost and odor, two things that quietly frustrate long-term purifier owners. A pre-filter layer effectively doubles the lifespan of the main filter, stretching replacement intervals from 3 months to 6, which cuts filter spending nearly in half over time. That's a meaningful difference if you're running a purifier daily in a pet household. The double-sided air inlet design is the other major upgrade, pulling air in from both sides instead of one, which roughly doubles filtration efficiency and widens effective coverage across the room. Combined with dedicated attention to pet odors, floating hair, and dander, This version feels built by people who understand what daily pet ownership actually looks like, rather than a generic purifier with pet branding attached. The extended filter life is the standout advantage here, saving real money without sacrificing performance. Odor handling is also noticeably better tuned to pets specifically, rather than general household smells. The compromise is that a double-sided inlet design typically needs a bit more open space to perform at its best. It's an excellent value pick overall, though homes with very tight layouts might find the earlier model easier to place conveniently. Now we're entering serious large room territory, and the jump in capability here is hard to ignore. The Bmasse Pet Air Purifier is built for people who don't want to think about air quality room by room. It's designed to handle an entire large home at once. It can clean spaces up to 3,000 square feet in around 30 minutes, which puts it in a different class from purifiers meant for a single bedroom or living room. What makes it easy to live with day to day is the PM 2.5 air quality display, a simple color indicator that tells you instantly whether the air around you is clean or needs attention. No app or guesswork required. For pet owners dealing with dander and hair spreading across multiple rooms, that kind of coverage and instant feedback removes a lot of the uncertainty that comes with smaller, single-zone purifiers. It genuinely feels designed for real houses, not just apartments. The large room coverage is genuinely impressive and removes the need for multiple smaller units scattered around the house. The at-a-glance air quality indicator adds real convenience without complicating the experience. On the flip side, a purifier built for this much coverage naturally comes with a bigger physical footprint, so it needs a dedicated spot rather than tucking away easily. It's an excellent fit for larger homes with pets, though smaller apartments may find it more purifier than they actually need. And now we arrive at the purifier that ties everything together, and honestly, it earns its spot at the top. The Mooka Pet Air Purifier takes the lead by combining strong large room airflow with genuinely useful real-time feedback. It's built around families with pets specifically, delivering powerful airflow meant to keep up with shedding, dander, and everyday pet mess across bigger living spaces, rather than struggling to keep pace. What sets it apart is the built-in PM 2.5 sensor, which delivers real-time, visible air quality readings, instead of a vague indicator light guessing at conditions. That level of accuracy means you're not just hoping the unit is working, you can actually watch the air improving as it runs. For pet households that want both power and transparency, that combination of strong airflow and precise monitoring closes the gap between a purifier that just hums in the background and one you actually trust. The real-time PM 2.5 sensor is the standout feature, offering genuine transparency most purifiers in this lineup don't provide. Airflow strength is well matched to larger homes with multiple pets, making it feel proportionate rather than underpowered. The trade-off is that this level of monitoring and airflow typically comes at a higher price point than simpler models earlier on this list. It's a strong overall performer, though buyers focused purely on tight budgets might find the value harder to justify. If we had to pick one overall, the Bmasse Pet Air Purifier stands out for its balance of large room coverage, fast cleaning speed, and simple air quality feedback. It handles bigger pet households confidently without demanding app control or constant attention. That said, if real-time precision monitoring matters most to you, the Mooka model deserves a closer look. The right choice really comes down to your space and priorities. So which one of these caught your attention? Drop a comment and let us know which pet air purifier fits your home best. If this comparison helped you out, tap that like button, subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this one, and check the description below for direct purchase links to every product we covered today.